'Tis the season to be jolly.
Is it?
It is. It's all about living plants.
Yes. Hello, I am Tony.
And I'm Art, and we're here from GardenMastersWithAZ.com.
And today we're going to share with you some DIY Christmas planter ideas.
Yes, you just need to pick up a few holiday flowers, plants. You can also use some of the plants you already have around the house, and also recycle some of those planter baskets that you may have picked up other times of the year or whatever.
Yes, and you'll be able to do this for a lot less than if you were to pick up and purchase one already put together in the store. So stay tuned. Improve your gardening skills and take your gardens to a whole new level. Just hit that subscribe button and you won't miss another video, tip, or tactic that could just be the one to transform you from a beginner to a garden master.
It's time to get creative. Now this planter is about 6 years old, and this planter came as a memorial basket for my father when he passed away. Now over the years, different plants have died over that. I like the basket. The Dracaena is still growing in it, so I've never wanted to toss it out because I said there's still life in the basket.
So we're going to use it for our holiday planter.
So keep in mind, we're going to use this as the front of the basket. This is taller in the back. I'm going to add another tall plant. I am going to just set them in their pots.
This is the anthurium.
And I'm going to set them in their pots because the anthurium, for example, you water it by ice cubes once a week. So you can control your watering by leaving them in the pots. So
that's a good idea.
You can pull them back out like the poinsettia. It likes to be wet all the way through, drain out, and then you can place it back in your pot.
That's what you would
Now,
do.
Keep in mind, tilt it a little bit so it gives a little nice effect there. So I am going to put the lemon cypress. I'm going to add that in the back so we have a little bit of different color, lime green color. And I'm going to put the cyclamen, a mini cyclamen, right here in the front. So we have some green background. We have this plant that's a little taller, spiky. And then I'm going to add this simple little fern that I actually purchased during the summer to go in an outdoor planter. So bring that fern in. Weave it around the handle a little bit, and there you go.
That's
now,
a beautiful basket.
Very simple. It's all just sitting in there, but it works. The thing that would really set this basket off is if I had some variegated ivy to put in this area to spill out the side and give it more interest. So get creative. Repurpose things you have around the house. You know, look in your containers underneath the front porch or on the shelf in the garage and pull it out and save some money because you get small plants. They're very inexpensive. And if you were to go to a greenhouse and have this already completely done, you're going to be spending upwards of $75 or more.
I would say $125 for that.
Yes. So, you know, $10 here, $5 here, you know, whatever, and you can create your own masterpiece, and your guest will love it.